Nairobi.
Kwa dhi mbele ni luoro nitiere ni Jokenya buora nyalo wito thuolo mag tijegi kendo kelo lal mar omenda ma ok tin ne siling bilion 150 kaponi okadhi paro mar chik mar omenda ma ichano pedhi e od bura. Ma en kaluwore gi riwruok mar kembe maloso mwandu e pacho ka endi KEPSA ma wacho ni kembe buora nyalo chungo chenro mag e thurka ka paro ne okadho. KEPSA ne opedho ng'ur mare nyim od bura wacho ni usuru moko ma ichano juogi kaponi chik nokalo to biro hinyo sekta mar kembe.
My rough experience, this is approximately 70% of all the assessment raised. If the market is to deposit 20% of 70% of all the taxes, then you can imagine the cash flow implication. This kind of provision can provide a window for rent seeking, for harassment, and for unfairness. We are asking the National Assembly to strike out this particular proposal so that we can remain with the existing provisions that are comfortable for businesses. The proposal to increase the rate of tax, value-added tax, on petroleum products to the standard rate of 16% is likely to have severe and adverse effects on the general economy, not just the petroleum sector, not just the OMCs.
We are still being cited, or rather being taxed with withholding tax, and it has become a very serious issue. So what we are asking is if the commission, or rather this department, could allow the commissioner the powers to exempt the industry, whereby being in an industry that the margins are really thin, the amount we are withholding is more than what we are supposed to gather.